Jericho House, a compact yet beautifully layered 70-square-meter retreat located in Marseille, France. Set on an unusually long and narrow plot, the property unfolds in a sequence of distinct zones, from the courtyard and historic 1900s main house, through a lush back garden, and finally toward an old carriage house that opens onto a secluded tiled terrace. This layout becomes the foundation of a thoughtful architectural transformation designed to reconnect every part of the site into a cohesive living experience. After renovating the main house in 2019, the project shifted focus to the southern end, restoring the outbuilding and creating new spaces for family and friends to gather, play, rest, and enjoy the garden. The key challenge was forging a meaningful link between the original home and the refurbished outbuilding, while also reimagining the garden as an active, integrated part of daily life. The solution came in the form of two striking, 7-meter exposed concrete lintels that visually and structurally anchor the entire composition. These long concrete beams connect the main house to two stone walls, one belonging to the outbuilding and the other marking the property's edge. Their bold horizontal lines emphasize the depth of the plot, guiding the eye all the way through. Below them, gloss green tiled facades subtly mirror the surrounding greenery and the pool water, creating a calm, reflective atmosphere. The intervention feels intentional yet quiet, adding structure without overwhelming the character of the site. Urban height constraints became an opportunity to design a spatial journey. From the main house, a gentle descent leads into a new corridor that runs alongside the garden, framing slices of vegetation as you move toward the outbuilding. A short wooden staircase, just 5 steps, brings you into the restored interior where original elements like a stone wall and timber framework have been carefully preserved. At the base, a soft, curved curtain hides storage and utilities, while naturally guiding movement toward the pool and garden. Opposite this, a minimalist concrete platform masks the rough lower part of the stone wall, forming a practical threshold that doubles as casual seating or a stage for everyday activities. During the summer months, vibrant trumpet flowers spill into the space, filling the garden with color and scent. Jericho House ultimately becomes more than a renovation, it's a quiet, seamless dialogue between past and present, architecture and landscape, designed to bring people together in a place that feels intimate, connected, and deeply rooted in its surroundings.